I'm going to do a parking light swap on my Range Rover P38. I went to the pick and pull. They have a different lens on some of the later models of the P38. And so if you look behind here, you see there's a small tab. And you just want to push that off. And that's the only thing holding that in. And that should usually pop out. It's a lot easier if you don't have a grill. You just want to unplug that piece. You'll be able to pop that out easily. You just need to unplug. And there you have the assembly. And it's a bit harder to get it in between the grill. And with the new one, you're just going to slide that back in. And once you have that plugged back in, there's a slot here on the left side of where this cable feeds through. And that's where that clip is going to go back into. And then it should snap right back in. And that's how you swap it. This is how it originally looked. All orange. And now just the corner has the orange. I also did the taillights that are tinted. Some of the models have the tint straight across. I just put them on the corner as well to have the yellow. And now the second side, the passenger side, is fairly similar. You just take off this battery cover. See that clip there still? Unpop that. And it'll pop out the light. You'll unplug it, pull it out. Once you have it in, snap it back into place like the other, and then it should be ready to go. Alright, thanks for watching.